In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change photos on Fresha in just about 5 minutes. Imagine you've got this fantastic new set of photos for your products or services that you just know are going to attract more clients on Fresha. Well, today I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to update those photos, giving your Fresha profile that fresh, eye-catching appeal you're aiming for. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Fresha for Business. It's the portal designed specifically for professionals like you who are looking to manage their offerings on the Fresha platform. Starting here is your first step towards refreshing your business's visual appeal. Once you've arrived at the Fresha for Business page, the next thing to do is log in. Look for the Login button and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing all the backend features that Fresha offers to its partners. After clicking on Login, you'll need to select the option that says Fresha for Professionals. This choice will steer you in the right direction, ensuring you're accessing the part of the site designed with you, the professional, in mind. Now, for an even smoother experience, choose to continue with Google when prompted. This option is perfect for those who prefer a quick login process without the need to remember another password. Go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Next, you'll be asked to choose your Google account. Select the account you wish to use for your Fresha business profile. It's all about making things as seamless as possible, so choose the account you feel most comfortable managing your business with. Once logged in, it's time to dive into your product listings by navigating to the catalog. This section is where your products and services live. Think of it as the virtual shelf where your offerings are displayed for clients to peruse and book. In the catalog, you'll see an option for products. Click there. This is where you can manage all the products you offer, from shampoos to skincare items or whatever it is that you sell. Each product you've listed on Fresha will appear here. Now find the specific product you wish to update. By clicking on your product, you're taken to a detailed view where you can see all the information currently listed about this product. Visualize this step as selecting the specific item you want to spruce up with a new photo. With your product selected, the next step is to click on Actions. This button is like the key to making any changes to your product listing. Think of it as unlocking the editing capabilities for your chosen product. Once you've clicked on Actions, you'll see an option to Edit Product. This is where the magic happens. Clicking here will allow you to make all sorts of modifications to your product listing, including changing or adding photos. Look for the Add a Photo button. This is your cue to start the visual transformation of your product listing. Click on it to begin uploading your new images. At this point, you'll browse the photo in your computer. This step involves selecting the file you want to upload as your new product image. Take a moment to choose the best representation of your product or service. This image will be the first thing clients see, so make it count. Finally, the last step is to click on Save. It's crucial because it confirms all the changes you've made, including updating your product photos. This act of saving seals the deal, ensuring your Fresha profile now showcases the very best of what you have to offer visually. And there you go, you've successfully updated your photos on Fresha. It's an easy process once you know the steps, and it can make a significant difference in attracting potential clients. Remember, the visual appeal of your products or services can be just as important as the quality of what you offer. So, taking the time to update your photos can be a small effort that pays off in big ways. So, I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Whether you're just sprucing up your Fresha page or doing a complete visual overhaul, these steps will ensure your offerings are displayed in the best possible light. Thanks for watching, and here's to making your Fresha profile as appealing as it can be.